Kumilang, and today I will introduce River Tamarind, and the scientific name is Leucaena leucisipala. And the characteristic, a fast-growing small to medium-sized tree usually reaching to 10 meters in height, has benefit leaves literally divided into small leaflets that fold up at night deciduous. Small, white, sprinkled flower cluster that look like pom-poms. For people use, young pods, leaves, and flowers are edible and used in cooking. Seeds can be roasted as a coffee substitute. The wood is used for fuel, charcoal, and pepper pulp. For animals use, leaves and pods are used as high-protein feed for livestock like cattle and goats.
Good day everyone, I am Justin Magbanwa and today I will introduce miracle fruit. The scientific name is Sincipalum dorsificum. The characteristics of the plant: miracle fruit is a small shrub that produces red berries. The fruit is an oval shape and has a soft pod inside. It contains a special protein that makes our sour food taste sweet. For its usage, miracle fruit is mainly used by people to make sour food taste sweet, which can help those trying to reduce sugar intake. It may also help people with taste changes due to illness or treatment like chemotherapy. For animals, it is not commonly used, but it is generally safe and non-toxic in a small amounts.